Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I am going to introduce a new product. Not a new product, it's already that it's a cutting blade, but it's a multi tool from Bosch. It's really affordable. It's about like 799, 800. So I like this color and the pattern. It's very handy to use it. Yeah, I can make it small. Yeah, it's like a knife, folding knife, but it's weight little big, like it's near to, I think it's near to half kg. It's nice. It's made of stainless steel. It's written here. Then it's have a knife, sharp blade, then a screwdriver, the small with the small end, the other with the large end. Then there is a saw like thing. It's a basically knife. It's called, I think, it's pretty hard to take it out. Yeah, like a saw, you can see the blades. It's pretty good, sharp, and yeah, you can use it. On the other side, there is a sanding thing, like what, file, so you can sharpen the things and make it, or we can like do the nail thing. Then there is other blade too. So I don't remember the name, but it's a blade, the same like the teeth, sharp teeth. Yeah, then there is a star screwdriver. Cross-headed screwdriver. Then there is one more bottle opener, and you can use this end as also a screwdriver. Yeah, it's good. If you need to buy, you can search it in Google or in Amazon or Flipkart. It's both available in both sites. Yeah, it's good and handy. See you in next video.